Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. This is my Factorio tutorial series built from scratch. I'm checking everything out in the base, and iron ore is very weak. I don't remember where this comes right here. So it's coming from here. 2.1 million is not empty, but it's just there. It's so uh, sparse that it takes a very long time to mine, and it's taking a very long time to load the train. And as a result, the base is starving for iron ore. There's the iron ore. Very, very weak. See, it's run out completely. So I need more iron ore. It's in the wall, so that's not a problem. So there's 12 million. Yeah, those are two 12 millions. That's got to be it, right? Yeah. That one over there, the 12 million iron ore there, if you remember, I'm using that to make steel. I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to leave that as steel. So let's pick out these. Now, I have the Roboport everywhere, Roboport grid, so we can build from space. So I'm going to demonstrate how to build from space. Pick out the iron mine that you want. You need a blueprint where you can put down mining drills. I have those. I have the mining 6 dents, this one. So I'm going to use that. Kind of figure out which way you want the iron ore to flow. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to run a train line from left to right. Let's see, I need to bring the ore right here. Right here. We'll just come out of this point right here. Train line out of there, and then hook into that. I may have to jog up or down because I want to go around that water. And I'll use that same train line to do my expansion to the right. So if I extend that train line and then kind of angle down, yeah, something like that. So let's go. If I go through there, I have to angle back down again. Maybe I should go down here. I'm looking at this copper. I'm looking at this iron. That's stone there, right? There's coal there. I'm just trying to figure out where I want the train line, because again, it's going to turn no matter what. But maybe I go down here. That's not too well. I don't want to go through a copper mine. I'm going to go through here like this, right through there, and then I'll angle down and then go out this way. That way I can use that line for the copper. So right in here is fine. So let's do right there. Give me rail and wall. Load one side. We'll put the load station to start bringing in iron ore. By the way, I do have other loading stations. I have load 2 sides. Now this uses blue belts and loads the train on 2 sides, so it's very fast. I'll just use the load 1 side for right now. We can always upgrade later. So let's see, load 1 side right here, this one. And let's go right here. I'm thinking train line. I'm thinking, oh, maybe I should go down. There's coal in the way there. I don't like to run the train line through resource patches, even if I don't think I'm going to use it. I'm not sure. So if I miss that coal patch and I bring the rail straight out like that, I'm going to have to bring it out up here, aren't I? Yeah, I'm going to have to bring the rail straight out like this, like that. So let's just put this load station here. Kind of keep it away from the mine a little bit so that you have room to run. Maybe put a belt balancer if you need to. So what does that look like? Cliffs are not going to be an issue. We have cliff explosives, so the bots will bring the cliff explosives out here. So if I put that like that, is that going to work? I think that will work. Give me a train line, a train rail long. Let's put this here. Paste rail long on top of that. Yeah, that's fine. So let's do this like that. Am I going to hit an electric pole? No, by accident. I think I missed the electric poles by accident. Is that going to work? Yeah, I want to come out of here, I think. How many million things am I going to hit here? An electric pole, an electric pole, an electric pole, an electric pole. Bunch of electric poles. I put those in a great spot, didn't I? Well, we can move them. We can move them where I can make the train line go up or down a little bit. It doesn't have to be exactly in line with that one, although, yes, it does. Yeah, so I didn't wasn't thinking about it when I put those big electric poles right there because they're in line with the rail. If I extend that rail out, they go straight through them. That was poor planning on my part. But I can move them. How far does it go? Forever? Pretty much. Oh wait, I can't go that way anyway. Yeah, I'll hit the oil field. Also, we're gonna have to bend down anyway. So let's let's bring this rail down right here. Let's see. Let's see. Rail and wall. 45 right. Let's do this, and let's go down. Okay, let's try this. If I do this, yeah, that will work. I see trains coming down there to turn around. I'm going to put a turnaround up here sooner so they can turn around up here. They don't have to go all the way down there. Can I fit it in there without hitting stuff? Yes. That's just going to hit, a signal light is going to hit the pipe. Is that going to be the, everywhere a signal light hits? Maybe let me see, maybe I don't want to put a turnaround there. Is that one okay? Let me see this again. Let me see if I come out of there and then angled. Okay, yeah. Give me the one where I've got a turnaround that has straight rail going through it. Let's see what that looks like. That's U-turn 2. Yeah, let's see what that looks like here. Okay, and then you, big electric pole, you're in the way. I don't know what to tell you, but you are in the way. Let's leave you like that. We'll come out of there like this, and then I'll take the rail down. Am I gonna be able to hit that one? Maybe pretty close. So give me the rail 45. Rail 45, right. That's this one. Let's see. Let's don't hit the RoboPort. Give me rail 45. Rail 45. Rail 45, this one. Let's see if we can miss this RoboPort. Yes, we can. Let's miss the RoboPort. Like that. What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. You are a big electric pole in the middle of nowhere. Let's get rid of you. Does that break everything? No, you still are connected. You still have power. Okay, that works. And then from here, can we go up to there? Can we go to there? Like that. That will work. And that will work. So that'll bring the rail down this way. And then I want to tie into here. So give me rail long, and you're going to go here onto this one. Like that. Oh, this wall can go. Oh, this is inside the base now. What about the oil pipe? Do I need that oil pipe? Is that going anywhere important? It's going to the flamethrowers there, but it's going here. So oh, it's coming out of that. Okay, so I can get rid of this wall. Get rid of this wall. Oh, we lost power. I broke power somewhere, didn't I? That's the hazard of doing what I'm doing. I broke my own power line there. Shot myself in the foot, I guess. If you catch it soon enough, you can correct it, but where was that at? Where was that at? Everything's still powered. Didn't I break a power line to a RoboPort? Maybe it wasn't going to a RoboPort. I thought it was. Or the bots? Huh. Actually, I don't remember now. Anyway, I thought I cut power to a RoboPort, but apparently I didn't because they're all still powered. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this. When you put a RoboPort down, it automatically has power for a little while. So as soon as you put a RoboPort down there, it has a battery, I guess. I don't know how to say it, but it'll work for a little while and then it runs out of power. Have you ever noticed that you put one down and the bots start doing stuff right away and you wonder how's that possible because you haven't connected it to power yet? That's why. Okay, so I'm going here. Okay, give me this rail and wall. Give me the long. You're going to come out of there? Yeah, let's do this. Okay, you have to go right there. You are going away. Now be careful, because I need that oil line. I don't need this. So I don't need that elbow. I don't need that elbow. But that's going to oil there. That needs to remain connected. And I don't need this. Careful. Can I delete this? Let's see, I can delete that. I can delete that. I can get rid of all of these. And this. And this. Yes, I think that's correct. Did I need those medium electric poles for something? Well, we'll find out, won't we? I got the big electric poles. They are connected, so there should be power down through there. I don't need this artillery here. I don't need that. What about this? I need that, right? Because that's going... Yeah, I need that. And that still has electricity connected. Okay, let's see what happens when the bots rip all that up. See how much I broke. So now this rail line is coming down this way, and I want to tie into this rail line here. So give me rail long. You're going to go there. And there. That's not going to... Let's do it like this. Let's see, let's get the short one. Well, the long one's fine. It's going to be a little bit too long if I use this long one twice, I think. But overlapping them is okay. You see that I'm holding the long blueprint there? Overlapping them's fine. It has a signal in the middle of it. See where my character is? That's a rail signal. There's a rail signal in the middle of this long rail blueprint. That's fine. You know, you can overlap the rail. You're not putting extra rail down. It's not building two sets of rails when you overlap them like that. So that's fine. I can do it like that. And then give me the 45. 45. And let's extend this down here. Like that. Yep, that looks fine. Okay, and I'm just going to go there and do that now because I'm right here. So this can go this way. I'm holding, oh, so I keep forgetting it's a tutorial, I'm sorry. Point at the rail, press Q, you get the green arrow. Okay, now you can click on the arrow in the direction you want to go, and you can drag a blueprint or a ghost of a rail. Okay, it only goes so far. That's as far as you can, that's the rail that I can build. If I click, it would build the rail. If I hold down Shift, I can keep dragging it longer. Now it's just going to blueprint in that rail. So in other words, I'm not holding Shift. It would actually build if I clicked that. If I hold down Shift, I can blueprint in a longer section of rail. So that's what I'm doing. And I go back up, press Q. Now go back up here, press Q again. Or, well, I'm in the rail build mode. If you weren't in the rail build mode, point to the rail, press Q. Now you can click on the arrow, hold down Shift, and you can drag it over here, and you can blueprint in the rail like that. Whenever you do that, there are no rail signals in there, which is okay. It just means that if you have multiple trains, they will wait until the section of rail is clear. What rail signals, well, a number of things, but what rail signals do is, see, there's no rail signals down through here. If there's a train anywhere down there, no other trains will come onto the track. The rule is only one train per section of track. So what the rail signals do is they break the track up into multiple sections. And so there's a rail signal there. In fact, the colors change if I'm holding a rail signal, which I am. See those lines on the rails? They're different colors to show the sections. And so down here, see this is all one color, all yellow. This is all the same section of rail. Only one train per section. Section may not be the term that the Factorio creators use, but it'll work for now. And so if I put another signal down here, it would change the colors. It would break up the colors. Oh, I don't have one. Well, it's going to be hard to put one if I don't have one. Let's see. Let me make a couple of those. Now, see, it changed the colors. It breaks it up into multiple sections. Remove it, and it goes back to the same color. So only one train per section. So that's a pretty long section of rail there. I probably do need some signals. I'm stuck in the trees. I have some chain signals. Okay, give me some couple rail signals here. And just to break this up, I'll put a couple rail signals like that. Okay, so now that's going to there, that's going down to there. I'm going to put some rail signals down through here as I go down through here. Oh, there are some. So that rail long, it has rail signals in the middle. The blueprint rail long. This one, there's a rail signal in the middle on each side. So it does have a few. It doesn't take very many. It's just again, that's as far as the trains. So if there's a train coming down this track, you know, it would go to this point. If there's a train down here on this part of the track, it won't go beyond that signal. That's what it does. So each one, yeah, there's signals down through here. So that's fine. That's not too bad. That should be fine. So now the trains can go down through there, down through there, down through there, and down here. And I want, here's the iron right here that I want. Yeah, I've already got my load station there. Okay, and then let's get rid of these trees. Do I have a tree deleter? I have a tree deleter. Okay, buy trees. And then give me my, oh, let's get rid of these trees too. Tree deleter. And let's get rid of these cliffs. Delete cliffs. There we go. Get rid of those. Get rid of those. Okay, now mining. Give me the mining 6 dense. And let's make the belt point up like that. Let's put the mining drills. I'm holding down shift. Like that. Oh, I missed a couple down here. There we go. Like that. Now it will put extra belt. See, it put extra belt down here. You can just right mouse and delete it before the bots build anything. Like that. It will not put extra mining drills. Mining drills will only be blueprinted if there is ore to be mined. So you don't need to worry about putting extra mining drills. It puts an underground there, which are kind of expensive. If that bothers you, you can delete that underground and put a belt there. It doesn't really matter. At this point, we're so rich, it doesn't make any difference. And then you don't need these undergrounds up here. I do need to put a balancer up here. So this, it doesn't need a, well, I'm just going to tee this in up here, or join it with a splitter, I should say, like this. So that can go like that. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this tiny bit over here. We'll just bring these together. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do an 8 to 4. Oh, that's a simple one. 8 to 4. Can I fit this in here? I'm not sure. I don't know if this is going to fit. This is going to fit. 2, 4. Maybe. Oh yeah. There we go. That's that. That fits. Oh wait, did I leave enough room here? Yes, I did. Okay, so this goes like this, like that. And like that. And you are going to go right into that cliff. Let's see, this goes, oops, this goes here. Like that. Around a belt. Okay, that's fine. Well, the bots will bring it. This can go like this. This can go like this. I know it's not symmetrical. Sorry. Oops, I don't need that underground. Okay, did I connect everybody? I think I did. And you are going to go there. Okay, this is iron. Do I have an iron train already? I do, don't I? Yes. So shift right click to copy that. Shift left click. Gives it the color, gives it the name, gives it a train limit. Now, it's automatically, because I named it the same as the other train, the other iron load train, I shift right click on that, and I did a shift left click over here. It's automatically in the train program now. There's no distinction between this iron load and the one that was already in that the trains were already using. So they're named the same. Any train that has this name programmed into it will come here. If there's multiple stations with the same name, they just, well, I'm not exactly sure the logic they use. I don't know if they just do sequential or what they do to how to pick which one to go to, but you can have multiple stations with the same name. That's what I do all the time. And then there's this train limit. That is really, do you have the place for the trains to wait? See, I don't have a place for additional trains to wait. I could do a train yard right here, or in Factorio language, they're called stackers, where you can have multiple trains waiting. I don't have that, but I could. If I had that, then I could set the train limit to whatever the number of trains that I can have waiting there. But I'm going to leave it at 1 because I don't have any place for trains to wait. So it's set to 1. And then I'm going to use this. I'm trying to figure out where I want the turnaround to be. Oh, wait, well, we can put a turnaround right here, and then I can add another one if I want to. So U-turn, let's do this one that has the straight rail going through it. And then the trains will be able to turn around. What did I do? You don't have power. Oh, you don't have power. I removed some of those in the blueprint, I guess, while I was making things fit. Yeah, I took out too much. Oh, wait a minute. You didn't even get built. What did I do? Did I not put... Maybe I didn't even put the blueprint in there. I guess I didn't, did I? Oh, I guess I missed that completely. I missed it over here, too. Okay, well, we'll fix that. You don't have electricity. That will give you electricity. You will get electricity. You will when that pole gets placed. Okay. And you're going to place track there. So the train can come down here and load. And it's going to take the iron ore back. And that is the iron ore train that's currently loading. Okay, so now I need another iron ore train. This. Control C, hold down Shift, drag across. Okay. I don't want the track, I want the train. So on the left, click on train, and then clear entities and train fuel. So there's a copy of the train, complete with programming. Create blueprint. Now I've got a blueprint of a train. You can put that anywhere you want. Okay. Right here in the unload all station, if you were wondering, there's this rail section right here. It's a spur. Doesn't go anywhere. Right? But it's got fuel and it's got a train stop. That is there for what I'm doing right now. Make a copy of a train, line it up, paste it in there. The bots will pick up the locomotive and the cargo wagons, bring it over here, and build this train. It has the programming in it from the train that I copied, which was the iron ore train. So that's what that's there for. It's the train stop name is train stop new train. So it's called new train. That's the name of the train stop. So it even has the color from the one that I copied, and it's getting fuel, and it's programmed just like the one that I copied is. Is it automatic? Oh, it's manual. Okay, so it defaults to manual. So it's ready now. All the cargo wagons are there. It's got some fuel. So now I can put it on automatic. There it goes. So I made another train now, another iron ore train. Now where it's going, I have no idea. Right? It could be going to the original iron ore mine. No, it won't be because there's one there. The train stop is set to 1. So it's going out here. Oh, good. It's going out here to the new one. That's what I wanted. So it's going to come out here, and let me just take another look. Take another look at you to see if I missed anything else. That looks like everything is ready and in place, and you are loading. Yes, you are. I'll ride the train back. So that's, I mean, this, the robo ports everywhere, radar everywhere. The, sorry, something moved behind me. Well, with all the cats around here, I thought it was a cat, but it wasn't. Just a package moving. So with all the radar and the robo ports everywhere, being able to build from space, that's the way to play Factorio. So now I can just monitor the base, the factory, and see everything is weak. And keep doing that what I just did, to keep resources flowing in to the factory. And there's the iron ore train that I just made. Oops. Get out of the map view here. There's the iron ore train that I did. I'm going to need another iron ore train, I'm guessing. But that will help. A big mine. This is a big mine, 12 million. You could probably support multiple trains. Now, I did not put a place for them to wait, as I said, but I could easily add something. I could easily add a little. Again, they're called stackers normally in Factorio or rail yard. I could add a little place for trains to wait, and I could then change the train limit to whatever number of trains I had that could wait there. I have something in my blueprints, in my rail blueprints. I think it's called stacker. This one. So that's a place for trains to wait. It doesn't have to be that big, but that's the idea. And you can make them look any way you want. They don't have to be angled like that. You can do all kinds of things. But you could plug this in like here. Well, don't hit the roboport, I guess. Is there some place where I can plug you in where you don't hit everything in the world? Okay. Well, I wouldn't need as many lanes as that. I could do that, or down here maybe. Do that, and then set that, make that limit bigger, and then have multiple trains waiting. That's another option. Do I have another iron ore mine? Yeah, that's a better option. Just do the same thing. Just do the same thing up here. Make another mine where trains could go up there and load, which I probably need to do with copper as well, don't I? Is copper? Copper's actually not. It's actually not running out. Where are you coming from, copper? I don't remember. Oh, I have a big copper mine. That's why it's not running out. Okay, that explains it. Yeah, so I think the one I just did will be a big help. But I'll monitor it. Monitor the base, iron ore in the base, and see what happens. See if it's enough. Speaking of monitor, I did not, normally before I start recording, I check to see if everything is working okay. I did not do that. I better take a quick look. So, power's fine. Uranium is fine. It's backing up everywhere. Fuel is fine. You know, I've limited the chest. It's full. It's as full as it can be. Oh, I didn't show you this, did I? I don't think I did. I put a programmable speaker here. That's something you make. Programmable speaker. Where are you? It's right here. It's under logistics, right there. So I made one of those, and I put a wire, one of the wires that you can build. Wire. These wires. It doesn't matter which one, any one, red or green. I put a wire from the speaker to this chest, like that, and then the speaker. I checked all these global playback. So what it does is it makes sounds. Okay, so I'll turn your speakers down here. So that you'd have different alarm sounds. So I set it to an alarm. When does the alarm get triggered? Nuclear or uranium fuel cell is less than 50. Less than 50 where? Less than 50 in here. So if there's less than 50 in this chest, this will sound. And then global playback means anywhere in the world you can hear it. Show alert is this text. Well, and the symbol and this icon. So if that's triggered, you will see on the screen this. You'll see this icon, less than 50. And you'll hear that alarm sound. Well, not that one, this one. anywhere you are on the map, and you'll see the alert. And allow polyphony means you can have multiple sounds, up to 10 sounds playing at the same time. So that's what that does. So if I totally forget to check on the nuclear fuel, and if it gets down to less than 50, that alarm will start sounding. Of course, you can put that any number you want. So I did that, and power was fine, right? Yeah, it's actually seems not with all those roboports. Oops, with all the roboports now, roboports do use power, um, even if the robots are not recharging. So that's quite a bit of power being used. What's going on there? Oh, I guess I just did that, didn't I? I don't need that, do it? No, I have power here. Yeah, there's power there. It's kind of weird that that's broken, though. I don't like that. I'm going to hold Shift. I point to this power pole. I pressed Q to select a ghost of that. I'm just going to Shift-click one in there, just so the bots will build it, and then that won't be a broken line there. I don't like the look of that. What's happening here? Oh, visitors. Oh, the artillery fired. There's a counterattack. The artillery fired automatically, which means there must have been a bug expansion. Let's see, turn this on. Yes, so that's an expansion base that was built inside the artillery range. Oh, there's another one there. What is going on, guys? Are we not getting artillery shells delivered? Oh, yes, we are. Let's watch this one. You're going to fire, right? That's weird that there are so many bases. Oh, did I get an upgrade? Oh, I got my upgrade. Haha. I got my range increase. That was one of the research items that I selected. I didn't even notice. Yeah, so now the artillery can fire a longer distance, and so there's more stuff in range now. Ah, okay, cool. So all this was not in range before, and now it is. See, the artillery guns are going to take that out for us, and we'll get counterattacks. So I better watch that. Yeah, we're getting counterattacks already. I better pay attention here for a few moments. I think it's okay. There's no audible alarms yet. If if the bugs actually start damaging stuff, there's an audible alarm. This is the one down here that says they're being damaged. Oh, how is it? I forget what it is. If it's destroyed, I forget. Anyway, if the attack gets intense enough, it's either when something is destroyed or if there's enough items being damaged or something like that. There's the audible alarm. So that has not happened yet, but I think we're okay. Yeah, very cool. That's excellent timing to get that range increase. Yeah, you can see there's quite a few bug bases now that are in range. So it'll take a while for the artillery shells to get delivered to take all those out. And worms as well. They're automatically targeted. Try to see if I can find a bigger counterattack to watch how effective the wall defenses are. Maybe I should start upgrading to 2 rows of lasers right now, just to get it started. And let's see, what does my blueprint look like with 2 rows of lasers? I think it's in front of those. The lasers are, I think is what it is. Where are you? Where are you, lasers? Are you a row in front of those? Yes. No. Actually, no, it doesn't line up, does it? Anyway, it's in front of those. So which one do I want to upgrade first? Wow, you're getting a lot of visitors. I'm looking for bug bodies. You've got a few visitors too. You don't have many. Okay, let's go here. I already have the electric poles got placed up here, so I'm just going to do a Control C and just grab a few of these laser turrets. Oh, I didn't get the pole in there. I want to get this pole on the end so I can line it up like that. Kind of make a little quick blueprint. There we go. And just, are you not going to, you're going to hit the flamethrowers. Well, what's going on here, guys? Something is not lined up correctly. Give me the actual blueprint. Something got shifted or is not lined up correctly. Wall with lasers and flame. This one. Do you? That's correct. That is correct. Why did I think it was? What did I just see? It didn't line up correctly for some reason. What happened here? Oh, it's different. Ah, okay. This row of lasers has a different vertical spacing than the second row of lasers. The second row of lasers is supposed to go like that, and the electric poles are different. So I just need to copy just the lasers, and they go like that. That way they don't hit the flamethrower turret. So it goes like that. That's how they're supposed to go. Like that. So we'll have the bots put those in there. So now that I got a few in there, I can grab a copy of that. A little bit bigger copy, like that maybe. And then we can put those down here. There we go. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I just didn't have it lined up right. Oops, let's see. Right here. There. We'll reinforce that wall. And I'll give the bots a chance to build that. Let me check the laser turret production. I may have forgotten to boost that. Well, if I can remember where it is. Where would you build laser turrets? If you were me, you would build them right here. What do you have in you? Oh, you have 171. That's okay. And let me upgrade these machines, make them build faster. So you just grab your upgrade planner and just drag across the machines, and it tells the bots to put the faster machine in there, and they'll build faster. The laser turrets will be built faster with that faster machine. But I do have some in there. 142, 140. Okay. I will go around then and upgrade the machine, the laser turrets, and put 2 rows around these walls now. And then the expansion right here. Are you built? Okay, good. Thank you. You are built. Now I want to bring it down this way. I'm going to go out through there. So give me, ooh, let's see if I can make it past that. I may have this too far forward. Yeah, I think I did. We can go straight down. We can go straight down. We could do a 90 and then go back that way. So give me rail and wall. Let's do wall or rail short. Let's do a rail here. Let's miss everything if we can. Miss pipes if we can. Hit the big electric pole. Yeah, I can't miss everything. I'm always, oh, there we go, right there. Right there. Right there, like that. And then you're going to come down this way. Yeah, that's fine. Can I do a 45? 45. 45 here, maybe. Will that miss most of the stuff if I go through there? If I go through there, like this, what does that look like? Rail and wall, 45. No, that doesn't look too good at all. Okay, I'm just going to use a 90. I'm just going to come straight across here and then straight up there and then use a 90. You don't need to worry about physics of your train. In Factorio, they can take a 90-degree turn just as fast as they can go down the straights. So if I just go straight across and then up, that will work. So give me rail and wall. So if I'm going to go here, how far over do I want to go? And then down like this. Let's go through there like that. Yes, right here. Like that. And then like that, maybe. I went a little bit too far with this one. And then give me a 90. Like that. That goes there, that goes there. And this is going to go up here. Rail and wall. Rail short. Like that. And a rail short like this. Okay, and then a 90. Give me another 90. Like this. And like this. Like that. Okay. Like that. Train can come down there, go down there, go down there, and then I can go out there for the expansion like that. That will work. And the trains can still turn around there. That will work. And we are loading iron ore there. And we have iron ore on the belt, and there's another train unloading. That looks better. Copper looks weak. So I think I'm going to need another copper train. See how weak that is right there? And there's no train there unloading. So, probably there. 9.1 mil. Oh, there's a big one there too. 9.8 million. But this one's close to the rail. So I'll do mining drills on there and load that into a train. So give me a copper train. Where's my copper train at? Are you in the station? No, where are you? Where are you, copper train? Where's my copper mine I have right now? Where is it? No, that's iron. This is copper. You're not copper. Okay, I can't find my copper train. So what you can do is you go to your, well, there's a couple different ways you can do it, but you can go up here to your trains and find them up there. Just click on this and you can see all your trains. You can also go to the station, the one of the stations, like the unload all, and here's the unload all station. You can also click on that, and that shows you all the trains assigned to that station. And you click on this, and it will give you, it'll take you to where that train, or give you control of that train, like clicking on it. But there's the train. You can see where it is on the map. It's going to the iron mine, right? Or iron mine. It's going to the copper mine, right? Is that you? Yes. Beep beep. Yes, it's going up here. So Control C, hold on Shift. Give me that. I want the trains. I don't want the entities. I don't want the train fuel. I just want the trains. Create the blueprint. Go back to the map view. Go in here to the unload all station. That spur right there is designed for building trains. And paste. And there's my copper train. Let the bots build it. And I can go, where did I say I was going to go? Right there, 9.1 million. 9.1 million. That would almost, I could almost copy this. It's an iron mine, but I could almost copy that whole thing and paste it on there. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Control C and get all of this. And go over here. Is it going to fit? It does. I can actually do that. It's not perfect, but darn close to perfect. And paste that on there, and then just change the name of the station. But I'm not going to do that anyway. So don't be afraid to experiment. Like it didn't line up close enough for me, but give me a load one side. Load one side. We'll put it here. Right here. Yes. No, not right there. Right there. Yes. You are in the way. Electric pole. I don't know how to tell you that, but you are in the way. Like that. Get rid of the trees. Give me the, oh, how am I doing on time? Oh, almost out of time. Give me the mining 6 dense. Make sure the belt points down. That's where the load station is. Paste in the mining drills. Try not to miss some this time. Like that. Okay, get rid of the extra stuff. Okay, is that extra stuff? No, I need that one. I need that. I don't need that underground though. I don't need that belt. I need that. Oops. I deleted something by accident. Put that back in there. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Or 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 that. Oh, there's an electric pole there. I'm going to need that. But you'll put it like that. Are you going to get... Or how do you get electricity? Mr. Mining Drill? I think I deleted your electricity. Like that. Okay, you can... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll call it 8, because these are actually, if I count that one, it's 8. Yeah, so you can go down here and merge into this one like that. And now it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's 8. And then an 8 to 4. With room for 4 belts. Like that. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep, that's the one. And then this goes like this. And this goes like this, and like this. Am I going to have room to fit this in here? Oh yeah. That doesn't look balanced at all. You have to go down here. Somewhat symmetrical anyway. And this goes here. And this goes here. I'm sorry it's so dark. Maybe I should put the, I didn't think about this when I took the mod out, Afraid of the Dark. But when I'm in map view like this, at night, I realize it's very dark. I'll put that mod back in, the Afraid of the Dark mod, so it's not so dark. When I'm in the map view, and we need power over here. Let's see, we need some power up here. There we go, that'll give us power up there. And I'm in map view. I apologize for the rapid movement. It's map view. It's very difficult to do slow movements. Well, zoomed in map view. I guess that makes it even more difficult. Like that. What happened? Oh, I'd moved something, didn't I? I don't know what I did. Something's wrong. Oh, there was an electric pole there. Ah, that's right. So you have to go there, 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 and you have to go there. Like that. I deleted that electrical pole. And then you need to be copper. Where's my copper station? Copper load, where are you? Right here, copper load. You are copper load. Shift right click. Go back over here. The one I just did. Shift left click. So that named it, colored it, and gave it the limit. Train limit of 1. It's now in the programming. So all the trains that are programmed to go to the copper load station are now programmed to come here. And did I make another copper train? I did, didn't I? Where did I? There it is right there. You can go on automatic. There it goes. And we're waiting on stuff to get placed, but it will get placed. And did I run power up there? Yes, I did. So there's another copper mine. So I think that'll do it for today. The base is growing. I'm going to go expand this way. Oh, I got to make her an artillery train. Let's see. Add tag. That's what's called expansion train. Expansion train is artillery with a cargo wagon so that I can build all kinds of stuff in there. So I'll do that next time. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. have fun playing. I hope you're having fun playing your version if you're playing the same map or a different one. Take care. See you next time. Bye-bye.